In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer database using Google Forms and Google Sheets. This can be a fantastic way to organize and manage your customer information with ease. The first thing you want to do is head over to Google Drive. Once you're there, look for the New button, which you'll find snuggled up in the top left corner. Give it a click and you'll see a list of options pop up. In this menu, you'll want to select Google Forms. This is where the magic begins. Google Forms allows you to easily create a customizable entry form. After you click on Google Forms, go ahead and select the blank form option. Now you're looking at a fresh canvas where you can craft your customer form. The next step is to give your form a name, so type in something that will be easy to identify later, like customer information form. Having a memorable and clear title makes it easier to manage your forms when you have multiple. Once that is set up, it's time to add your questions. At its core, this form should capture all the essential details you'd want from a customer, such as their name, email, phone number, and physical address. Click the plus button to add a new question, and you can choose the format like a short answer or drop down depending on how you'd like people to respond. With your form beautifully put together, let's switch over to the Responses tab up at the top. Clicking here will provide you with an overview of any answers you receive. To keep everything organized and easily accessible, you'll want to link these responses to a Google Sheet. There's a handy little icon that looks like a spreadsheet. Give that a click. You'll be prompted to either select an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. For simplicity, let's go ahead and type a new name for it, like Customer Responses. Once you're satisfied with the name, click Create. This creates a new spreadsheet within your Google Drive that is now linked directly to the form. From here on, every response you receive will be automatically recorded into this Google Sheet. It's a neat way to keep everything on hand and stay organized. And that's it, you now have a dynamic customer database created using Google Forms and Google Sheets, with responses flowing straight into your spreadsheet for easy access and management. This system is not only efficient, but also allows you to seamlessly collaborate with others, share this data, or even further customize its setup to suit your organizational needs. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a project, this tool will serve as a practical and streamlined method for data collection.